Hello everyone! Encountering the Windows cannot access a specified device, path, or file error can be frustrating. But fortunately, there's a straightforward solution. So let's walk through the steps to resolve this issue. Begin by opening the Start menu and clicking on Settings. This will give you access to various system settings that can help address the error. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Update and Security. This section is crucial for managing system updates and security settings, which can impact how your system interacts with files and applications. Under Update and Security, find and click on Windows Security. This is where you can configure security settings related to antivirus protection and threat detection. Within the Windows Security menu, locate and click on App and Browser Control. This section focuses on managing how apps and browsers behave, including their interaction with files and external sources. Under App and Browser Control, find the option for Reputation-Based Protection. Click on it to access its settings. Within the Reputation-Based Protection settings, you'll likely to find an option to block apps. Uncheck this option to disable blocking, which may be causing the error you're experiencing. After disabling the Block Apps option, verify if the problem persists. In many cases, this simple adjustment resolves the Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error and regain access to the specified device, path, or file on your Windows settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Bye-bye!